Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class on business statistics, and we are discussing the problems involving median. Yesterday, I was talking about how to calculate the raw data. Then we talked about once you understood how to calculate the median for the raw data, then we talked about how to calculate the median if in the data class interval with frequency is given. So we were discussing about that concept, and yesterday I gave you uh, this question for your homework to solve this question, where you have to determine what is the value of mean and median of the following data. This question you are supposed to do. Okay, everyone. Now, let me do this problem. Now, if you see the class interval, these class intervals are discrete in nature. If you see this, they are not continuous. The first thing, whenever you see the class interval, you have to make sure that the class interval should be continuous in nature. In case if they are not continuous, you can make it continuous. So find the difference. If you see the difference is 1, the difference is 1, the difference is 1, the difference is 1, the difference is 1. So what is the formula you have to use? I hope you remember, you have seen all my previous classes videos, so you know that the formula what you need to use is to use the working on upper class boundary and lower class boundary, where upper class boundary is actually upper class limit plus d by 2, and lower class boundary is the lower class boundary is equal to lower class limit minus d by 2. So what you do, so you subtract d by 2, d is here 1, so you subtract d by 2 from the lower limit and add d by 2 from the upper limit. So that because this class interval is a discrete class interval, so that you can make that into continuous class interval. To make it continuous class interval, subtract zero point 0.5 on the lower limit, add zero point 0.5 to the upper limit. So this becomes 4.52, 14.5, 14.52, 24.5, 24.5 to 34.5, then 34.5 to 44.5, then 44.5 to 54.5, and then 54.5 to 4.5. So this is your continuous class interval. Then what you can do, you can find the x value for the mean calculation. What is the x value? So 4.5 plus 14.5 divided by 2. So I can write this as 15, 19. 19 divided by 2, that would be 9.5. So the x value is 9.5. Okay. Then if you see then after that you'll get 19.5, then 29.5, then 39.5, then 49.5, then 59.5. Now the data is complicated. If I multiply f into x, then I have to do lot of rigorous calculation. So 19.5 into 18, 29.5 into 32. So without using calculator, that would be very difficult. So let's use the step deviation method. So where in the step deviation method, I'll write d equal to x minus the lowest value, that is 9.5, divided by the height. Height is 10. So this would be 0, this would be 1, this would be 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Because I don't wanted to use calculator, I took 9.5 as a assumed mean. So I hope you still remember step deviation method I discussed in the past. So once you get the d value, multiply f into d, that would be 0, then 18, 64, 26 threes are, that 6 threes are 18, 1 carry, 78, 78, 14 fours are 56, this is 50. Okay, everyone, anyone, any doubt? So do the sum, this is 12, 20, 26, 2 carry, 6, 8, 9, 9, 16, 266. The sum of FD you got 266. So you got the sum of FD as. So anyone, any doubt till here? Anyone, any doubt? Okay, so you got this 266. Now you got the sum of FD is 266. Now if I talk about mean, if I talk about mean, what is the mean formula? Mean formula by using step deviation method is assume mean plus H into sum of FD by sum of F. So assume mean I took as 9.5. I took 9.5 as the assume mean plus H is 10 into sum of FD, that is 266, divide by sum of F. Sum of F is how much? Sum of F is this is 20, uh, this is 40, uh, 40 plus 20, 60, na? 60 plus 50, 110. Sum of F is 110. You can do 10, 16, 20, 2 carry, 2, 4, 7, 9, 10, 11, 110. So it's 110. 0, 0 get cancelled. So this is 266. Assume me. Okay, so this is 9.5 plus 266 divided by 11. So you'll get 9.5 plus 22. 22 means 46. 46 means 44. 20. 20 means 190. 90 means 8. So you'll get around how much? 68. 68, then 33.68. Something like that you will get as a mean. Okay, 33.68. You can see this option. Clear? Anyone have any doubt? So the purpose why I use step deviation method, I hope you are clear with that part. The reason of using step deviation method, I don't wanted to multiply 9.5 into 10, 19.5 into 18, 29.5 into 32, 39.5 into 26. So I just wanted to avoid that. That's why I use step deviation method. Otherwise, I could have get the mean by using the formula sum of fx by sum of f. So we could do this. Now, this was the mean calculation. Now, for median, if I want median, then the data, we write the data as less than class interval with less than cumulative frequency. If you don't write less than class interval, also there's no problem. Okay, so you can ignore less than class interval. So here, if I write less than cumulative frequency, then it would be 10, 10 less than cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency, it is 10, then 10 plus 18, 28, then 28 plus 32, so that would be 60. 28 plus 32, that would be 60. 60 plus 26, that would be 86. 86 plus 14, that is 100. 100 plus 10 is 110. Clear everyone? So once you get the less than cumulative frequency, once you get the less than cumulative frequency, You'll do for median, what you have to do for median, you have to write the less than cumulative frequency. And if you talk about median calculation, for median calculation, what you do for median calculation, the first step, what you do, you have to find sum of f by 2. You have to find sum of f by 2, that is 110 divided by 2, that is 55. 110 divided by 2, that is 55. So find sum of f by 2 means 55. Okay, so once you find the sum of f by 2, whatever the sum of f by 2 you get, search the, once you get the sum of f by 2 is 55, the next value, search the next value higher than, search the next value higher than 55 in less than cumulative frequency, in less than cumulative frequency table. So in less than cumulative frequency table, search the next value which is higher than the 55. So you get that. So I got that value you get, whatever the value you get. So that is the selected. So this value, whatever you got, this is the range. The range is the required select. Range is the required, whatever the range you get, like higher than 55, that is a required values. So that is a required values. So you have to do that work. So once you get this, means now this is the group what you should focus on. Okay, see the next value which is higher than sum of f by 2. Now what formula we use? The median formula what we use is the median formula. What we use is L plus H by F, that is sum of f by 2 minus CF. This is the formula what we use. So here what is L? L is the lower limit. L is a lower limit of the class interval, that is 24.5. So L is the lower limit for the class interval, that is 24.5. H is the height. Height. What is the height? Height, the difference, that is 10. Height is H is the 10. F. What is the frequency for that? Frequency for that is 32. Frequency for that is 32. Frequency for that is 32. And what is CF? CF means one cumulative frequency before the selected range. One cumulative frequency before the selected range. Whatever the range you selected, one cumulative frequency before it, that is 28. This you have to do. Once you selected this, once you get that, now you can find the median. So median is L. L is 24.5 plus H. H is 10. F is 32. L is 24.5. L is 24.5 plus H. H is 10. F is 32. Sum of F by 2. Sum of F by 2 means 55 minus CF, one cumulative frequency before it. One cumulative frequency before it is 28. So the median is 24.5 plus 10 by 32 means 5 by 16 into 55 minus 28, that is 5 into 27. So median is 24.5. Median is 24.5 plus 27 fives are 7 fives are 35, 3 carry 135 by 16. So 135 by 16 is 24.5 plus 135, 16. 16 eights is 128, right? 16 nines is 144. So 16 eights is 128. 16 eights is 128. So 8 means 70. 70 means 16 fours are 64. No, 16 fours are 6. So fours are, then 60. 60 means threes are, something like this. So this is 9 3. This is 32.93. That is your median. 9 3 or 9 4, whatever. Everyone try to do this problem. If you read in this problem, in the frequency distribution of 100 families given below, it means the sum of frequency is 100. Sum of frequency is 100. In the distribution of 100 families given below, the number of families corresponding to the expenditure group 20 to 40 and 60 to 80 are missing from the table. However, the median is known to you 50. Find the missing frequency. Think how will you do this problem? So from this first chapter, you will get only these kind of problem in exam. If it come from exam, you will get these kind of problem. So you should know how to solve them. Use the logic whatever I have taught you till now. Yesterday I have sent you SSC CGL notification. So around 6,000 openings are there in Government of India. So make sure that you fill that form. So for the male, the form cost is 100 rupees. For the female, it is free. So so make sure you go through that notification what I sent you and fill the form. Now see this. Now this is the question. Here the median is given to you 30. Median is given to you, sorry, not 50, not 30. Median is given to you 50. Now if I add the given frequency, what is given? This is 14 plus 15 is 29, 30, 30, 56. So this is 56 plus F1 plus F2. That is given to you 100. Sum of frequency is given to you 100. So I can say that F1 plus F2 is equal to how much? That is 44, right? So write this as first equation. Okay, everyone. Anyone have any doubt? So write this as a first equation. Okay, then going further, whenever you have to do median calculation, whenever you have to do median calculation, you have to always write the data in the form of less than class interval with less than cumulative frequency. So less than class interval with less than cumulative frequency. So less than class interval not require, if you don't write also that's fine. So if I write less than cumulative frequency, then this would be 14, then 14 plus F1, then 14 plus 27, how much you'll get? 41, 41 plus F1, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 carry 2, 3, 4. Then 41 plus F1 plus F2, and then 56 plus F1 plus F2. Okay, everyone. Now, how much is your median? How much is your median? So median is 50. So what is the step you have? What is the step median calculation? What is the step you need to follow for the median calculation? For the median calculation, what is the step you need to follow? Calculation. So median calculation, what is the step you follow? First step, you will find sum of f by 2. Sum of f is 100. 100 by 2, you will get as 50. Now see the next value, see the next value higher than, see the next value higher than 50 in less than cumulative frequency table. See the next value higher than 15 less than cumulative frequency table. So in less than cumulative frequency table, the next value which is higher than that, uh, this is this is tough to determine. This is tough to determine. Okay, why this is tough to determine? Because f1 and f2 is invisible, because we don't know f1 and f2, because f1 and f2 is unknown. Can you understand this? Because f1 and f2 is unknown, so we cannot do like this way. I hope you are getting the logic. So because here f1 and f2 is unknown, so I don't know what would be the value of f1 and f2. So because I don't know what is the value of f1 and f2, so I cannot be very sure about, I cannot be sure about what is the less than cumulative frequency value which is bigger than 50. Can you understand this what I'm talking about? Can you understand this? Please reply yes or no. Use the chat option. Please reply. Because here f1 and f2 is unknown, so I cannot determine in less than cumulative frequency table which value, what is happening, because in less than cumulative frequency table we don't know the f1 f2 value. So to find which value is higher than 50 in less than cumulative frequency table, it is difficult to determine. Can you understand this part? Every okay. Huh. Okay, what about others? Basit understood, Chiranjeev, Hemant understood. Anyone else? So what I can understand from this, that this way I cannot do. This is going dead end. Now this is dead end. Now nothing I can do. But if I use my common sense, if I use my common sense, I know that median is 50. So we know that median is 50. We know that the median is 50. We know that median is 50, and this formula what we see, formula when what we see, that is L plus h by f, sum of f by 2 minus cf. So is basically interpolation, is basically working on interpolation. We are basically, what we are doing this, by using this formula, we are basically working on interpolation, means we are locating the value between the two class interval. Please understand this formula what we use now. By using this formula, what we do, we try to interlocate the value of median. We are trying to search between a range. Once we get the range, we try to search the value. Okay, so that is what we are doing. So with now because we know that median is 50, now because we know that median is 50. Now because we know that median is 50, so it is possible only when this is possible only when median is 50. This is possible only when, if your class interval, selected class interval, should be 40 to 60. Please understand this. For this only I'm doing all this hard work, because the median is 50. So because your median is 50, so you have to understand, you can only get the value 50 if your required class interval is 40 to 60. Then only you can get the median as 50. Please understand this. Your median is 50. That is possible only when the required selected class interval, that should be 40 to 60. Then only you can get the median as 50. Otherwise you cannot do, no, because ultimately whenever we are doing median calculation and all, we are just trying to search from in this. Okay, so that means your required class interval should be 40 to 60. Your frequency should be 27, and one cumulative frequency before it should be 14 plus f1. Please understand this. So what I have question paper, previous year question paper of statistics. So in that, one question is also like this. I'll make a separate video on that question. So after the class, whenever you get time, watch that video. Maybe 1 hour or 2 hour, I'll upload that video for you. So that question I'll solve the previous year Bangalore City question paper. So whenever you get time, you can watch that video today. Again, the same kind of question came there. So fine. So you have to understand the median is 50. So that is possible. That median is 50. That is possible. That is possible only when your required class interval should be 40 to 60. Then only you can get the median as 50. Please understand this. Now, because your median is 50, because you know that your median is 50, so means the required class interval that should be 40 to 60. Okay, your frequency here for this is 27, I guess, is 27, and CF1 cumulative frequency before it is F1 plus 14 or something. F1 plus 14, F1 plus 14. So once you get that, and your median is 50, and your median is 50, what you do, apply the median formula. Median formula is L plus H by F, that is sum of F by 2 minus CF. So your median is 50, L is lower limit, no, 40 is your lower limit, H is 20, no, height, foot, everything is 20 difference. Yeah, 20 difference, everything. Yeah, so F is 27, sum of F by 2, sum of F is 100, that is given in the problem, minus 2, and one cumulative frequency before it, 14 plus F1. Okay, so now you solve it, apply board mass, bring 40 this side, 50 minus 40, that is 20 by 27, that is 50 minus 14 minus F1. So then this is 10 is equal to 20 by 27. This is 36 minus F1. So we can write this, this is 2. We can write this as 27 by 2 is equal to 36 minus F1. The F1 value is 36 minus 27 by 2. So I can write 36 minus 27 by 2 means 13.5. So F1 value is 22.5. Once you get the F1 value, now from equation 1, you know that F1 plus F2 is equal to how much? F1 plus F2 is 44. So I can write 22.5 plus F2 is 44. F2 is equal to 44 minus 22.5. F2 value is 21.5. Everyone now try this question. Same like the previous question what we did. Use the same logic here. Okay, don't get confused with this number. Median is given to you for this problem as 2400. Then you will get confused because this number is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. If you see here in English, it is written sale in 100. Sale in 100 means this is actually 0 to 1000. This is actually 1000 to 2000. This is actually 2000 to 3000. This is actually 3000 to 4000. This is actually 4000 to 5000. Either you write like this or median, or you can write median in 100. Sorry, I was writing 1000. I was telling it is 100. The median in 100 is 24. Please understand. Median is given 2400. If you write 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, all are given in 100. So you can also, then median is given 2400. If you take the median in 100, that will become 24. Clear, right, everyone? I hope you are understanding the question. The question is not at all difficult. Use your common sense, use the logic whatever I've taught you till now. Please solve this question. If you get the answer for this problem, then I would be very confident that whatever I'm teaching you people are understanding. See this, I'm solving this problem. So this is what given in the problem. I have to find f1 where the median is 24. The median is 24. You have to understand your median here for this problem. Your median is 24 for this problem. Your median, your median is 24. Your median is 24 means your required class interval should be this. This will be your required class interval. Then only you'll get the median 24. I hope by this time you should get this logic. By this time you should get the logic. How will you get median 24? This is the only possible way. Okay, everyone. So here if I write less than cumulative frequency, so this would be 5, 25 plus 5, 30, 30 plus f1, and then 48 plus f1, and then 55, no, 55 plus f1. Okay. Here in this problem, it is given that the median is 24. So median is only when only when the class interval, when the required class interval, only when the required class interval is 20 to 30, then only you can get the median as 24. Okay, everyone. So the L here is 20, H here is 30 minus 20 means 10. Frequency of that is F1. Okay, and one cumulative frequency before that is 30. Any doubt, anyone? And the median is 24. And the median is 24. Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? So median is 24. So median formula, if you apply, median formula is L plus H by F into sum of F by 2 minus CF. Median is 24. Median is 24. L is 20. H is 10. F F you have to determine, that is F1. Sum of F by 2. Sum of F. What is sum of F? 55 plus F. Sum of F. 55 plus F1. Sorry, F I was telling. 55 plus F1. 55 plus F1. Divide by 2 minus 1 cumulative frequency before it, that is 30. That is 30. So to find the value of F1, so bring 20 this side. So 24 minus 20 is equal to 10 by F1. So this is 55 plus F1 minus, if you take LCM, you will get 60 by 2. So I can write this 4 is equal to 5 by F1 into F1 minus 5. So I can write 4 F1 is equal to 5 into F1 minus 5. 4 F1 is equal to 5 F1 minus 25. F1 is equal to 25. So yesterday I told you to do this problem 11, 12. See the question number 11. Uh, See this question. So in a class of 11 students, 3 students were failed in the test. 8 students who passed. So the marks of each student who passed is given. 3 are failed. So definitely their marks would be lesser than this. Okay, I don't care what is their marks. A, B, C, let it their marks. Then those who have passed, their marks is 10, 11. Then okay, they are not in ascending order. So those who have passed, their marks is given to you. Those who have failed, I don't know, 3 are failed and these are passed, 8 are passed. So those who have passed, definitely their marks would be higher than those who have failed. So now you arrange this in ascending order. So this is arranged in ascending order. This would be 10, then 11, 10, 11, and then 12, 10, 11, 12. Okay, then 14, 15, then 14, 15, then 14, 15, 15, then 24, uh, 14, 15, then 20, 24, 26. Please switch off your webcam, yaar. So those who have passed, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those who have passed, their marks are 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, then T 24, 26. Okay, so these are the 11 students. So what is the median here? 11 people are there. What is the median formula? N plus 1 by second observation. So 11 is there. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus by 2 means sixth observation is your answer. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your median is 12. Very simple. Clear everyone? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? Now see the question number 12. Question number 12 also I told you to do median of x, x by 2, x by 3, x by 5 is 10 and x is greater than 0. So if you arrange in ascending order, if you arrange median, what is the first thing you do if raw data is given? You'll arrange them in ascending order. So if you arrange them in ascending order, the smallest value will be x by 5, then x by 3, then x by 2, and then x. Okay, everyone. So if you arrange in ascending order, so here n is equal to 4. Here n is equal to 4. If n is equal to 4, then median would be 4 plus 1. Median would be, if n is equal to 4, so your median, your n is equal to 4. Your n is equal to 4. So your median is 4 plus 1 by 2th observation means 2.5th observation. That is your median. So 2.5th observation is your median. 2.5th means second plus third divided by 2. Your median is x by 3 plus x by 2 by 2. And that is given to you 10, I guess. Median is given to you 10. Median is given to you 10. Median is given to you 10. So you just need to solve it. X by 3 plus x by 2 is equal to 20. So then you take LCM. LCM is, you'll get 5x by 6 is equal to 20. So means x is equal to what? 24. Clear everyone? So your median is 2.5th observation. Median is 2.5th observation. 2.5th observation means second observation plus third observation divided by 2. That is your median. Solve this, you'll get the answer. Clear everyone? Anyone have any doubt? Any question, anyone? Anyone have any question, any doubt? So with this intention that what done, you have understood everything. So with that intent, I'd like to wind up the class. Thank you everyone. See you all tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself, study well. God bless you. Bye.